Welcome everyone to my Turtle graphics explanation video. I am Nicola, if you can't recognize me by my voice. So yeah, basically today I'm going to explain what Python Turtle Graphics does. Python Turtle Graphics consists of 4 different elementary move codes. Codes which are used to move your pen forward, backward, left, and right. So first, what do we want to do? We want to import the turtle. I wrote the turtle wrong. We want to import the turtle. This basically does it so that we have a turtle to work with, like a pen, not an actual turtle. Next up, t dot turtle turtle. There we go. This what this does code what this what this code does is that it makes it so that we use the T as the vessel or as the main source to write the codes, the codes that we use to move the turtle, shape the turtle, color the turtle. Yeah, the pen, I should say. It's more accurate saying it, the pen. So the first code, the first movement code is actually t dot forward 100. What this code does is it says make your I should stop calling it turtle, make your pen move 100 pixels from the starting point. And so there you go. It moves 100 pixels from the starting point. Pretty awesome. Next up, t dot backward. So you can probably say what this code does with looking what t dot forward does. It basically makes it so that the pen moves 100 pixels backwards. Yeah, interesting. So next code is t dot left. So basically what this code does is that it makes our pen rotate to the left by 90 degrees. There you go, you can see it's rotated to the left. And remember, we have 2 lines. So that by completing the code, we're gonna have to copy it 4 times so that it completes the square. There you go. Now we have a 100 by 100 by 100 by 100 square, all 90 degrees. Uh, uh, Another code that I'd like to show you is the pen size or the color. Let's start with the pen size. What the pen size does is it actually increases the size of your pen. It makes it so that the lines are thicker and bigger and more visible. As you can see, we have a perfect, now thicker, black square. Make sure to not put any yeah. Next up, we're going to make it t dot color. So what this does is it actively puts the color of our pen to blue or to any color you desire. It's basically any color you desire because there is every single color into the Python Turtle graphics. You can make it red. You can press. By the way, you can press F5 if you're on Thony. I'm used to pressing the run current script button, but as you can see, it's F5. But you can make it green. There you go. You can make it purple. You can make it white. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's just invisible. I don't think you... Well, there could be use of the white color. It's just not in this particular time. You can use... You can use yellow. Not yellowy. You can use yellow. There you go, now we got a yellow square. Yeah, you can practically use every single color there is. Let's try cyan. Is there cyan? There is! It's actually pretty okay, and I'm surprised. Yeah, you can actually use every single color. I'm just going to set it to black, because that's the default one. Yeah, we got a black square. So the last thing I want to show you is it's called pen up, pen up, not pen up. It's called pen up, and this, and it's followed by T dot and down. So what this does is it basically makes it so that you, as the drawer, move up your hand and then set it down again. You might think, well, that's pretty cool. How is that gonna work? I'm going to show you. So by typing pen up, then T dot pen down, we can make it so the first line is absent. Yeah, that's just basically removes the pen from drawing, but remember, the pen still continues its way. So if we remove this, it's still gonna do it. You can maybe let's see now. Let's be more creative with it. You can type dot pen up and T dot pen down. And there you go. Now the other half of the square is missing. So that's pretty interesting. Yeah. As a conclusion, Python Turtle Graphics is a very interesting mechanic, I should say. Yeah. You can use it to make very different shapes, sizes. You can also draw squares, not hydro square. You can also use it to draw circles, triangles, rectangles, stairs, houses, whatever. You can use it as a Microsoft Paint almost. Let's try to draw a simple triangle. Without forward, 100. We'll make it 100 just because 100 I use as a default mark for the length of my lines. Then we use T dot left 120, because there's 120 degrees in every triangle. We're gonna make it so that it's equivalent in length of lines. So we can just copy the code 2 times. There you go. We should have a triangle. Yeah, there's our triangle, and it's green because of the color. It's this size because of the pen size. You can actively make the pen size different. There you go. Now it's a thinner pen size. You can also do something really cool with it, with the pen, is that you can shape it. Make it turtle. You can actually, never mind. Oh, I'm sorry. There is a code to shape the turtle, shape the pen into a turtle, but yeah, I did it wrong, and I'm too shy to try. But yes, this is what I'd like to say about Turtle. Turtle Graphics is that it's a very unique mechanic to Turtle, to Python, to Tony. It's yeah, as you can see, people can make very different and unique and colorful and bright and big and small shapes and sizes and squares and whatever you want. You can be as much as creative as you'd like to be with it. So yeah, you can basically do anything with it. um, I would like to end this video here, and I am going to, but by for a last resort, I would like to, you know, thank you for listening to my explanation of the Turtle graphics, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.